What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name's Sam Clark and you're watching One Life Cars. Got a night video this evening. It's getting dark early, so I want to keep these videos going so I won't let the dark stop us. Don't worry, when we actually look under the bonnet on this one, it'll be all lit up. You'll be able to see exactly what we're doing. Right guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the air filter. Dead common service job. Something that should be done at least twice a year really, and it's something that's dead easy. You can do it yourself at home on your drive in your garage rather than pay your garage to do it, or Halfords or somewhere like that. The air filters themselves only cost between 10 and 30 quid depending on what car, van or whatever it is you're doing it on. They're not there though, and the job itself will take even an inexperienced person 20 minutes tops. So let's crack on with it and I'll show you guys how. Alright guys, first thing we'll look at is tools. For this job you will need a ratchet, possibly an extension bar. Most likely just need the small one. I've just got both sizes out just in case. And I think an 8mm socket or a 10, possibly both, but I'll confirm that in a second. Next thing you want to do is open the bonnet. I'll get the keys in, get the bonnet up, and then we'll have a look at the airbox. So we've got the bonnet open. And if you have a look over to the right hand side, you'll see just above where the battery is, this box here, this is your air box. And if you have a look closely, you see you've got a few bolts holding it in. I think there might just be four, 1, 2 on the front and 1 and 2 on the back. So the extension comes in handy to get down the back there. So it is an 8mm bolt. It's also got slots in it, so you could use a flathead screwdriver or a slotted screwdriver. So I'm doing, but if you've got the socket, it's going to grip better and you're less likely to foul the nut. So I'm going to get all 4 of these fully undone, but I won't bore you with that. So get these undone and the box should just lift up, but be careful because you've got this electrical connection here. So in fact, what I'm going to recommend you do is disconnect it. It's the connection for the MAF sensor, which will be another video on this van. So we don't do that there, it's just a little push thing there, you push in with your fingers, or if you're struggling, get a flat screwdriver in it and slide it out. You can leave this pipe connected for now, and we'll just get the air filter out for this video. So get these 4 bolts undone, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll pop this up and get the air filter out. All 4 bolts are out. So now we can just lift it straight up like so, and the pipe on this, I think there should be some sort of coupling there, a band to hold that together. It shouldn't be that loose. We've also got a breather pipe here, which you should just be able to pull out, like so. And you can pull the old box and bring that out of the way. Revealing your air filter. For those of you who don't know, this is an air filter and it cleans the air before it goes into your inlet, into the engine, to make sure there's no bits getting into your engine. You can see this is a bit worse for wear. Definitely could do with a change, a bit of sooty. So I'll give this a good clean out because this one's going back in for today. I'm just showing you how to do it. But at this point, get your new one out of the box. And before you put anything back in, make sure this box is clean, free from debris, leaves, things like that. Get your new air filter and pop it, this sort of rubber bit around the edge. That side's going to go down first into the box and it'll sit nicely in the plastic grooves all the way around. Once that's insecure, it should sit in on its own like so. And then coming back to the airbox under the bonnet, obviously again make sure this is clean, free from leaves, things like that. Maybe give it a hoover out if you've got one to hand. And we can simply, at the box, pop it back on. Find the air filter's falling out like this, maybe it'd be easier to stick it in first. It'll sit in the tray just like that. Probably is a lot easier that way, to be honest guys. And then line the lid up and you'll feel it clip in nicely and go smug. Make sure this pipe's connected again. If it's got a band around it or Jubilee or something, you know, tighten that up. Don't forget to plug it back in your breather pipe. I should have done that first. You can just see the little bit around here. So we can feed the pipe. And like so. back on there. It's a bit fiddly, it'd be a lot easier to have done it the other way around. For what it's worth, I'll pull that back up. There we go, now that's on properly. Breather pipes are important for vacuums, so do put them back on. If you remember, Alright, that's now all lined in. Your breather pipe's on. Don't forget your MAF sensor switch. Plug that back in. That's important, that one. It won't run right without it. And then we can put our 4 bolts back in. Get them tightened up. Don't over tighten them because you'll crack the plastic tray. Don't need torquing or anything. Just give them a nip up with the old ratchet. Right, guys. That is how to remove and replace the air filter on the Mark 1 Ford Transit Connect. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and maybe request your own tutorial on your own car or van. Other than that, guys, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching and peace.